No, Craig.
So he's gonna bump it.
No, he's not going to bump the car. He's scraping his head. Because you did